On to one of our top stories, and Delhi civic body's anti-encroachment drive has spread further. Today, the drive is being conducted in Lodhi Road and Kashmiri Gate. Protesters have gathered at Kashmiri Gate, and there is, of course, stiff resistance to the civic body's anti-encroachment drive there. So from south to north of Delhi, there's demolition drive being carried out by the civic body. Let me go across to my colleagues Ela and Alok. Ela joining us from Kashmiri Gate and Alok from Lodhi Road. Ela, coming to you first, I believe there's a lot of protesters who have gathered at Kashmiri Gate.
Right, Tanima, these protesters have gathered to protest against the demolition drive carried by MCD all over Delhi, as they say that poors are the one who are bearing all the consequences. Behind me, you can see that the protesters are still sitting. Meanwhile, Delhi police have stopped them to reach to LG's house. They were gathered at Kashmiri Gate and they wanted to move towards the LG house, but Delhi police said that due to not sufficient permission and also the IPC 144, they won't be allowed to reach, and after that they sat here. These are the protesters from different left parties who have gathered here and are protesting against the encroachment drive carried by MCD. They are saying that BJP-led MCD is targeting all the marginalized community and the poor people. Back to you.
Right, Ela, stay with us. I'm also joined by Alok, who is at Lodhi Road. Alok, we've seen that there are a number of areas in South Delhi, specifically where the bulldozers rolled over the past few days. There's, of course, a different context to a Shaheen Bagh, a demolition drive taking place over there, to a New Friends Colony, and now at Lodhi Road. But essentially, this has become, the civic body might actually justify their move, saying that we are just going by the rules and carrying out our anti-encroachment drive. Whereas there is a protest, a resistance that they are facing at each location, as they are, there is an agenda being ascribed to this entire exercise.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, let me tell to our viewers that what is happening all in the national capital. For past 1 week, we are seeing continuous drive by the municipal corporation, not only in South MCD, but East and North MCDs are also doing it. In fact, today in Silampur area also, there is one drive is happening. In Dwarka, there is one similar kind of drive is happening. Yesterday, we saw in Mangolpuri and New Friends Colony drive happened. And today, I am standing in Lodhi Colony. This drive is happening. Where the Ela is standing, this is the Kashmiri Gate, where the protest is happening, and this protest is being called by the Communist Party and various other political parties, and as well as the people, those who are objecting this drive. And they have gathered over there at Kashmiri Gate. From Kashmiri Gate, they are marching towards the LG house so that they could tell the Lieutenant Governor, and they could tell about this drive, which is being conducted by the MCD, is illegal. That is what their demand is, and that is why they are protesting. However, the Delhi police has stopped them. However, at the Lodhi Colony, just our bulldozer has just about to come over here, and it will be, yes, as we are reporting from various parts where the drive has already been conducted, the bulldozer will definitely raise the shops which are found to be illegal at the roadside, and also those who are the vents or different installations which are found to be illegal, they will also be seized. I would like to request my camera person Rajveer first to show you this market. Here you can see this is the market, and this is Meherchand Market, very famous market of the Lodhi Colony, which is in South Delhi. This is the market, but what interesting part is that many of the shopkeepers and many of the illegal encroachments which we are saying, they have already removed itself, because they have got the information that this drive will be conducted over this place. So as of now, we are waiting for the bulldozer to arrive. But I am being joined by MLA of this particular area. He is Madan Lal. Sir, आप आम आदमी पार्टी से हैं, हमने देखा आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग काफी इसके बारे में विरोध कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इंक्रोचमेंट ड्राइव तो होती रहनी चाहिए, इसका विरोध किस तरीके से आप लोग कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, मैं इस समय हम जहां मेहरचंद मार्केट में खड़े हैं, इसके पीछे एक झुग्गी क्लस्टर है जी। अगर आप झुग्गी क्लस्टर्स को देखें तो वहां के सारे रेजिडेंट्स यहाँ खड़े हैं। आपको पता चलेगा कि झुग्गी क्लस्टर पिछले 40-50 साल से है। लोगों को डराया जा रहा है, लोगों को धमकाया जा रहा है कि अगर आप हमारे साथ नहीं रहे तो हम आपकी झुग्गियां उजाड़ देंगे। एक यही डर है जिसकी वजह से आज लोग ये रोजी रोटी कमाने भी नहीं जा पाए। ये वो लोग हैं जो सुबह नौकरी पे जाते हैं, काम धंधे पे जाते हैं, शाम को पैसे कमा के लाते हैं, अपना परिवार चलाते हैं।
लेकिन झुग्गियों में नहीं चल रहा है सर बुलडोजर,
अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कौन कह रहा है, कौन कहाँ के लिए कह रहा है, ये भी तो नहीं कह रहा है। कोई नोटिस नहीं है, ना झुग्गियों के लिए कोई नोटिस दिया है, ना सड़क के लिए, ना मार्केट के लिए। हमें कोई खबर नहीं है, केवल लोगों को डराया
आपको डर है कि हो सकता है बुलडोजर आए और अंदर भी घुस जाए?
नो, लोगों को डराया जा रहा है, लोगों को कहा जा रहा है बुलडोजर आएगा और आपके यहाँ एनक्रोचमेंट हटाई जाएगी। पर अगर आप देखें तो कौन सी एनक्रोचमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, हमें नहीं दिख रही है।
लेकिन यहाँ इंक्रोचमेंट रहती है, आज तो हटा दिया सर।
तो अच्छा है ना, हटा दिया, इसका मतलब आप बुलडोजर नहीं जरूरत पड़ेगी। मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहता हूँ केवल आपके माध्यम से, पिछले 15 साल से बीजेपी एमसीडी में राज कर रही है, तो क्या एक दिन का एनक्रोचमेंट था? केवल ये पैसे की उगाही का मामला है। अब जाते जाते बीजेपी अगले पिछले 15 सालों का हिसाब किताब भूल के एक नया फंडा इस्तेमाल कर रही है। लोगों को डराओ, पैसे ऐठो और जो ना दे।
कहा जा रहा है सर ये आज बुलडोजर चले ना चले पता नहीं, लेकिन तो लोग फिर लगा लेंगे आज, जैसे हटाइए दुकान।
मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ कोई ऐसा लगाने का सिलसिला भी था, मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है। अगर हाँ था तो लोगों को नोटिस मिलना चाहिए था। कोई कानून का राज है ना इस देश में, या केवल कानून एमएलएस के खिलाफ है?
एमसीडी कहती है कि नोटिस देने की जरूरत नहीं अगर इलीगल है तो।
फिर तो कहीं भी तोड़ दे, फिर तो 15 साल बाद आप जाग गए हो, क्योंकि आपके काउंसलर खत्म हो गए। आप 15 साल बाद जागे ही नहीं हो, आपके काउंसलर खत्म हो रहे हैं। आपके पास एक बहाना है कि हमारे पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है नहीं, अब हम चाहे एमसीडी कर रही है और एमसीडी जो चाहे करेगी। तो आपने कानून का शासन खत्म कर दिया है, कानून का राज खत्म हो गया है। आपके हिसाब से आपने कानून की मानना बंद कर दिया है। जहां चाहे जहां दिल करे एमसीडी वहां तोड़फोड़ करे।
Okay, so this is what the opposition is, and they are saying that this is selective drive that is happening, and which we saw at Shaheen Bagh as well. But we are still waiting that the bulldozer to come over here and do whatever they want to do. But right now, many of the shops which were illegally that installed over here, they have already removed their all installations. Back to you.
Right, Alok, thank you so much for joining us with the latest ground situation. Of course, there's a lot of confusion in terms of a lot of people actually turning up saying that proper notices are not going out with regard to these drives being conducted in multiple locations. But the civic body, of course, has its own justification. We'll leave it there. Alok, Ila, thank you so much for joining us.